Edit Pauline. This, and one more thing to do is the thickness of this plane, this box, is pretty thick, and side also slightly wide. So creating those variations. So like this will block out. So basic, you can see basic blocking is almost ready. I created boxes, and now I basic blocked out the scene. Now I need to add all the small parts one by one. So I'll focus on one part at a time and create everything and create the entire scene. Entire scene, we'll save it. So you all have the images. So you can start blocking out your scene, and slowly we'll add all the details and everything visible in this scene, like all the small props or assets will create everything. Your railing, dustbin, your lamppost, everything will create. So because you need to know how to handle a bigger scene also, like it's not just about only one small prop or a small model. It should be, you should be able to create a lot of assets together, and you should not lose patience also. So that's why we'll practice this, we'll create this entire thing, and then I'll explain how to UV also. If I make it high quality, see, I get shadow and all, so instantly everything looks fine. I have nice depth. So I'll do this. I have another class now, so tomorrow we'll continue this and start adding all the details, small parts and everything. Like for this thing, you can see same AC, same AC. So I'll create one AC, repeat, and these two AC are repeating. See clearly. So I can repeat this thing. This window are exactly the same. Only the width is slightly less. Use this. There's a, like a signboard, the where and everything will create everything. There is a hydrant. I'll create everything. All this thing one by one will create and finish everything. All this net, everything. And for this net, traditionally we use a texture. We don't use mesh for this, because mesh will be way too expensive and way too many polygons. If you use a alpha, like texture, if you use a texture, it's just a plane, single solid plane. I'll explain those things also, so not to worry, and we'll create all the assets visible. And yeah, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, same time. See you. Bye.
Okay, sir.
One second, I'll take attendance. Just give me a second.
Yes.
So,
Yeah.
Yes, tell me.
so actually, I asked you about one doubt in for that video which I shared with you. So it's not
Oh,
yet cleared actually.
one, just give me a second.
So
1 second. I'll check it now only. Just give me a second. Actually, back to back, there is so many classes, so I always like miss it. So I'll just give me a second. I'll just check it. Attendance, I'll just update. Remotely.
the previous days classes recordings are
Yes,
also not
yes. I'll
uploaded.
upload.
So
I'll upload it. Uh, okay, let's see. Except Arnold, everybody here is. Okay. Okay. And previously you asked for it. So just give me a second. So this message. Also, 95. Hmm, what this one?
Sir, shall I share it again?
I couldn't find the message. Where is the message? Okay, shared it again.
Okay, sir. So the problem, the doubt which I'm having, it starts from 7 minutes 28 seconds. So the option is, I'm not getting that option in my software. Yeah, so basically they are trying to round the shape
Hmm.
and yeah, this geopoly option.
Okay.
So I'm not getting it in my software. Like
Okay.
it will make my life much better. Like if I'm trying to round something.
Yes, just give me a second. I'll check it now only. Yeah. So polygon, geopoly. This one. So it tried, but still not there. Maybe I need more polygons here or what? Makes the surface plane only. In that, there is no edges in between. Maybe that's why it's working.
So actually he is only selecting the border, I guess, and he's selecting the vertices which is available on the border itself.
He's selecting the polygon. Like the polygon he selected. Let's see
Okay.
polygon and yeah. If you don't have in between loops, it works. Yeah.
So
So
that geopoly option, from where did you get? So I searched it a lot, but I'm not getting.
modeling, this ribbon is there. It's there.
Okay.
It's there, right?
Yes,
Ribbon
sir. That is
modeling
there, sir.
freeform. So click on the modeling, and the option is under polygons,
Okay, sir.
geopoly.
Okay, sir. I'll check it once again.
Now it
Okay, sir.
works perfectly.
It has to be a face first, right?
It has to be in face mode. It will work perfectly. Okay, then I have another class. I'll check this tutorial. This is what it's saying.
Okay, sir. So one more question.
Yes.
So do we have the software Unity for our syllabus?
No, we don't have Unity. We have Unreal.
Okay.
The Unity and Unreal, if you know Unity, it's a game engine. So Unreal also a game engine. Unreal is mostly most of AAA title or cinematics or cinema movies, we use Unreal. It's an advanced version of Unity. So
Okay.
we use Unreal, not Unity.
Actually, my uncle was asking me whether we have, like he was asking the syllabus, so I need to inform him. That's why I
So
asked.
you can tell him
Okay.
we have Unreal Engine. We don't have Unity. We have Unreal Engine.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Save it, and okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow, yes, tomorrow we have another class. Yes.